time 10 years ago. It certainly was a moving experience. Back closer to home, it's quiet weather, I think, for the next few days. Quiet and settled, although there are problems involved with that as well. And if you're after some sunshine and some heat, come to that, try the Canaries. They've had some record-breaking temperatures the last few days, up to 34 degrees. It will get a little bit fresher and cooler there, I think, in the days ahead. A little bit of breeze picking up. Rather unsettled weather in parts of the Mediterranean too, with little areas of low pressure, more particularly eventually over southern areas of Spain. But for most of Europe, it's, as with Britain, high pressure and therefore settled. Although the nights are pretty cold, there's a widespread and sharp frost in eastern Europe through into Russia, and even during the day, temperatures there are not far off freezing. So chilly weather in the east, then we find some showers in central parts and some heavier showers in the Mediterranean. Coming on to the British Isles, it's certainly high pressure we have with us at the moment. That's going to be around for, well, for the rest of the week, even into the beginning of next week probably. And we have gentle breezes flowing around it. Not quite so gentle across the southeastern corner, but very lightish winds here in the middle of the area of high pressure. So that's where most of the problems from fog and frost are likely to be. But it's not all plain sailing, because also in the area of high pressure we have some large lumps of cloud, and they're also floating around on those gentle breezes. So the cloud will be coming and going, and therefore the mist, fog and frost will be coming and going. Today I think the best of the sunshine probably in some of the more western and southern areas. The cloud thick enough perhaps over the extreme southeastern corner for 1 or 2 light showers, and that thicker area of cloud across Scotland, giving the odd little bit of light rain and drizzle too, more particularly in the north, the Northern Isles there. Temperatures not far off normal for the time of year, 10 to 12 degrees, a little bit warmer perhaps with that sun in the west. And then tonight we keep a fair breeze across the southeastern corner. You can see the isobars there, the shading indicating that the showers will continue too. But apart from that, especially in the more western and northern parts, where the cloud breaks and the winds are light, so again it's going to turn misty. There'll be some thick patches of fog around by morning and a touch of frost to go with it. And even in the more southern parts, it could just about be a ground frost, but air frost I think we're looking at in the north. There's the high for tomorrow, hardly moving at all, still pretty intense, so a very similar day. Some of that fog lingering until quite late in that northwestern and western part of the country. Most of it eventually will clear. Then we have a little bit of rain in the north of Scotland, those showers still running across the southeast, some heavier showers by then, and moving into Thursday we still find the showers in the southeast and fog and frost in other parts.